Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying your console and the game actually support keyboard and mouse, because that's the root cause of many delays. Once done, plug the keyboard and mouse directly into the Xbox USB ports or use a powered hub to prevent undercurrent latency and avoid passive hubs that starve power. Make sure to turn off or move other wireless devices to reduce interference, and position the mouse, pad, and keyboard within 3 to 5 feet for consistent input timing. Next, you tune both console and peripheral settings so inputs line up. You should adjust the controller dead zone and in-game sensitivity to match mouse movement, reducing software smoothing that adds delay. Once you've set sensitivity, disable any VSync-like frame limiting or input smoothing options in the game to lower perceived lag. Also update your keyboard and mouse firmware and confirm the polling rate. Higher polling up to 1000 Hz can help, but test 500 Hz if stability issues arise. To finish, you run final checks that isolate lingering latency. First, test with a different keyboard and mouse to rule out a faulty device. Make sure everything is wired if possible and swap USB ports, then reboot the Xbox after changes to clear transient states. If you still see input lag, clear the console cache or perform a soft reset and reinstall the game if it appears tied to one title. One key tip: if swapping devices fixes it, the original peripheral's polling or firmware likely caused the lag.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.